Sasenjalo bafowethu sesiyayiqoqa babukeli nabathandi bayi-WTV ngisethi hey leswi nga endla kiki ka vanuna van'wana na vasati van'wana le vanna va van'we le vasati va van'we dayitso mungutlo hey prof so u ri yini kasi akisa mungutlo prof e va ka yini emthangani loyi ndi wole mwini ni lo imamboni bafowethu ngini mina camping yini kahle
Benmagi.
oh mina bafowethu ngiza umamama waseMalawi ubuya le Malawi eBritish ubaba wami liswati manje angisathola ukuthi ngiliswati noma ngilimbayi noma ngiyini kodwa ngimunye libele lalabantu abafishane laba abaqoka le gqokonyana leza namaroka amhlophe umkhulu wami angaloyi bakabuya kuseni ngokusho njalo ngisho ukuthi bafowethu nami ngithathelena umkhulu gemkile bayangageye kununa abuye kuseni kodwa bayangaloyi noma ngibani beka loya lo amsukelayo uyabona abantu bakhula kuthazala basuka lapha eBosman ladibela itaxi emakhaya uze umuntu athi efemeni ngiyokuyela kugenukile mangibuya la umuntu ngathi kahle ngisho ukuthi nami ngisesenjalo ngumunye khona kule khehla kodwa uma ungangibukanga kahle uma ngizela staff uzolimala ngiyabonga
Siyabonga prof. Okay, eish. Sesibuyele enyokeni. Okay. Okay. People want to know actually.
All right.
Okay. So given a concern, we did a segment on inyoka ukuthi ukukhohlakala benyoka. Ngathola ama phone call. Hey. Yellow bone, mina ngiphethe yellow bone. So people were concerned. So I had to explain ukuthi inyoka are not built the same. Our yellow bone are built in a certain way, and then ezinye are built in a certain way. So people are saying, yeah, but iyasebenza. It means ukuthi kune something. Mina ngifuna ukuyibusele emuva and what. So I had an argument with a couple of people, and I decided ukuthi, you know what, umnikazi wazo must tell us thina as umphakathi or tell umphakathi ukuthi uyakha kanjani lento le and umehluko ukuphi when you build these snakes ukuthi okay these ones ngizakha this way and then these ones ngizakha this way. Obviously you can't go into detail in terms of what ingredients do you use, but just to assure umphakathi ukuthi mawuthathe green mamba you're not in danger. Yebo mawuthathe another snake that's a different story. Umehluko ukuphi uzakha kanjani so that people can feel at ease.
Yo. All right. Prakebi. Nani babukeli. Sengafa uchaza. Nayo angibulala lo baba ntshobe emhlophe. Ngatshela from the start. Ngathi angiyifuni yonke lento. So manje Prakebi, to cut the story short. Naku bafowethu. Yellow bone, green mamba. Ziyakhwa ngendlela ehlukile kunalenyoka egunyayo. Yellow bone, green mamba. Niyolanza kunalenyoka lencane le kuthiwa igreen mamba. Lenyoka ikhona kuziyenza ibe wayithi sibuku. Nithini ngesilungu worm. Iyakwazi ukuzibhinqa so ibe ngaka le nyoka. Kanzi inyoka lenye lenkulu kakhulu ayishaye buye kuseni. So siyenzeni ifast inemene ukuthi ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngithatha uphumuthi nani ngivusa kanjani. But ngiyengithathe le nyoka leyo ngoba Prakebi ubaba wangifundisa besihamba sesigangeni afika choke inyoka anganalezi zinto lezi zabelungu abasebenzisa zona. But then bakayichoka ngemithi esintu. So bekakhona ukuchoka le nyoka bese ayibulala. Mayibulala uzothatha inyongo yale nyoka. Bese athathe umsila nenhloko. Bese uyazikhatha bese sibuya nazo umzimba ushiya le. Bese Prakebi uma athatha lezi zinto lezi sibuyele nazo esigodlweni. Masifika esigodlweni afika athi mntanami ngithi thokoza gogo. Ngoba beka ugogo kimi. Bengasigobela bengina bengumntwana wethwasalala. athi mntwana manje we are building this lento le kuyoba inyoka ehlazana ukuze ngithi inyoka ehlazana ngichaza ukuthi inyoka isigubhu esizoba fast ukwakhela umuntu umqebo through in business ethile. So ngathi mina inyoka lena manje why ufaka inhloko nomsila umzimba sulahla athi no umzimba usebenza and la we are not building inyoka but you building isithwalo senyoka ngengani ngalezinto lezi but lenyoka angeke ayibone physically so uzoyibona ini isigubhu. So once ayenza amaphutha athile people will start seeing a snake because of this impumelelo yakhe iyakwe ngezinto noma ama parts wenyoka. So ingako sasa yena ngeke ayibone but people will say yo lo ababa lo unenyoka lo umuntu lo unenyoka why because of dento aphakame ngayo iyakwe ngenyoka. So that is why bantu inyoka but yena self there is no snake ayibonayo akuna nyoka ayibonayo akaphupha inyoka thizeni but impumelelo yakhe ize ngenyoka. So abantu bayo no lo baba uyathakatha unenyoka uthwele ngenyoka. We understand because those parts elezinto lezo zisebenze emzimbeni wakho waphinda wamixwa lento ngalento leyo. So that is why kugcina kuthiwa unani une sithwalo se nyoka.
Okay, fine. So kuza kanjani ukuthi yellow bone, green mamba, all these other snakes, they don't have the same ability or the ability yokuthi zenje ubustot yini okukhiphile lapho ukuthi zingajumpeli on the other side zenje ubustot. You don't have to tell us the exact ingredient but just a method that you have used.
Brakb as ngisho ngisayibuyelela futhi angeke ikwazi ukuganga kufana nenye inyoka or ikwazi ukwenza ezinye inyoka ezikwenza because of akusiyinyoka is a image.
Oh, okay.
Kufana nokuthi uthathe into wathi ngithathe la ngathi lezi ngithatha intshwebe ngafaka lapha ngathi isigubhu sentshebe.
Okay.
You understand? Right. So angeke intshwebe ikwenzele buhambe into ezoyenza izodiliza whatever efike yayiphakamisa.
Okay.
You understand?
All right.
Angazi ngibeke.
Yeah, no, it makes sense. So let's talk about lezi ezenzubungozi.
Brakb. Hey, now what abantu lapho.
You know, I was telling someone the story ukuthi wathi no yena uzothatha inyoka izobugwinya yena strong kanjani yafika inyoka bazoyiletha ngetruck bayivulela wa collapse thank you lo muntu makavoka ukuthi no yena akacollapse ukuthi ubona inyoka ucollapse ukuthi inyoka mayehla it knew where to go ukuthi yakupha ilahlekanga whatever wagcina wangastart isithwala. So manje ngibuza wena bro ngithi how did you configure le nyoka le uhlukana nalezi ukuthi yona igange yenza I know ukuthi awenzanga ukuthi igange but why zigange and actually ayi1 kahle kahle masikhuluma iqiniso.
Yeah,
why zona zenza the things that they do? Is it because they need that power to execute and to give umuntu inhlanhla or kanjani? But you must tell.
Wena mntwana gogo ungichaza ngoba lento se wayimuntu inyoka le esesithi seyisikhuluma ngesithwalo senyoka
that part out. Yeah,
ne le inyoka sesithe athi lo muntu ngifuna ukuphila mina okuserious kunokuphila phela okuthi you remember ukuthi yonke into ezokupha amandla aphilayo it needs to be paid nayo.
Yes, for sure.
You understand? So leya zihlukile ha ekudeni futhi Brakb ngoba leya ifuna lo engeke ngikusho ngoba labantu nabangihlahlele emehlo kakhulu. Yeah, se into yakhona ithini KB leya idinga ama muscles. Ngiphe ngikuphi which means leya seyinyoka qobo akusese image le sesikhuluma ngento ephilayo ezothi nawe mawuhleli ithi indoda phela sekunjalo indoda phela sekunjalo. So lapha sikhuluma ngento ephilayo efuna umuntu futhi ojulile ongathi mina kunokukhula bra KB. Yazi nokukhula ungaba nentshobe emhlophe bantu awubhadlanga. Funeka umuntu ozothi mina ngidela konke ngileze ukuthi ileze ezithi ngidlele kwesami isigodi. Uya understand? Ngidlela kuphi kwesami isigodi. Anginandaba nobani but mina ngifuna ukuthi mina.
Okay. So in short, this one is not cut into pieces. Is that the way it
Njalo.
Okay. All right. Ungasitshela imfihlo ukuthi uyikhulisa kuphi why ever if ngiyadla. All right. And as well, the difference is one is cut into pieces, you get an image of a snake. This one, you get the full-on snake, which means is a ipelele with all the feelings, all the whatever. And obviously, it's tit for tat.
Yeah.
It's Caesar in exchange of something. If you give, now uzoto. Prof, siyabo.
Siyabonga abafowethu ngakhohlwa abafowethu seseyiyo le number le nalama account esiwafakile bra KB. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ifoundation seyikhona ya Professor yayithini Nyangamuni Foundation la ngisiza khona abantu abaswele njengoba ngama December nginokuphakela abantu abangana kudla nabantu kuloku sesizotshintsha unyaka lo angisekho la esigodlweni njengoba ngizwa ngithi ngiyovula ekhaya la ngizalwa khona kulonyaka ngiyoba ngipha bogogo enzaweni yase Bushbuck Ridge ngiyocala enkosini engiphethe uchief King Malele ngoba ngika King Malele nge2 November ngipha bogogo ama blanket and also nokudla nenyanga ngo December nge22 ngoba ngibaphela le eNewscom la gogo wathi masuke eMalawi namkhulu bafika banzinza khona so ngoba ngilapho ngipha khona abantwana abaswele kuloka sanika umuntu ukudla kuphela kulonyaka lo ngiyoba ngipha abantwana impahla nabo bagqoke bangadli kuphela bese ngibapha nokudla and then January I will be also giving enkangala ngizoba ngipha abantwana ama 1000 rand ukwazi ukuthi bayoyenza esikolweni but angeke ngikwenze lokhu ngiyi1 nawe KB unokufaka isandla nawe mbukeli ungasifaka isandla othi nami nginako ngiyanikela nayo ke lapha phansi and also to tell people ama appointment angisawafuni kule Standard Bank ama appointment awasangeni lapha ku 10149705903 seyingena la ku foundation ileyo mali engizozama ku raiser for ama orphan. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga.
Thank you sir.